This is Janet from Simply Hooked by Janet. Today we're going to go over how to make a Sweet Angel Ornament. This pattern works up rather quickly, so once you get the hang of the pattern you can make several of these in a small amount of time. So you can make them for gifts or for your own Christmas tree. So let's get started and learn how to make one of these angel ornaments. To make the Sweet Angel Ornament, you'll create a magic ring, and then you'll chain 2, and in the ring you'll work 10 double crochet for round 1. Once you've worked your 10 double crochet in the ring, you'll tighten it some and then join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, which is the first double crochet, and then onto row 2. We'll start that by chaining 4, and the chain 4 counts as a double crochet and a chain 1 space, or chain 1 stitch. So in the same stitch that you join to where this chain 4 is, we'll work a double crochet, and the rest of the row is worked in that same stitch. We'll work chain 1 double crochet 4 times. There's 1, chain 1 double crochet, there's 2, 3, and 4. That completes row 2. So you have 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So row 3, let's turn. We'll chain 4. Remember that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. And we'll V-stitch in each chain space across. So a V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in the same stitch or same space. So you'll do a V-stitch in each chain 1 space across. And then we'll meet up for row 4. So the last V-stitch of row 3 will be in this chain 4 space at the end. And then we'll turn to start row 4, chain 1, and we're going to do 5 slip stitches. We'll skip the chain 1 spaces, but we'll slip stitch in 5 of the double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we'll chain 4, and we'll double crochet in the same stitch as this last slip stitch. And in that same chain space, we'll work a double crochet, chain 1 2 times. So double crochet, chain 1 2 times, and we'll make one more double crochet in that same space. Now we'll skip this very next double crochet stitch, and in the next double crochet we'll work a V-stitch. And that will actually complete row 4. The rest of these stitches will remain unworked. So we'll turn and we'll start row 5. Row 5 will begin with a chain 4. And in each chain space across this row, we will work a V-stitch in each chain space. So the last V-stitch will be in the chain 4 space at the end. And we'll also do a chain 1 and one more double crochet into this last space. And that completes row 5. So we'll turn and start row 6, and we'll chain 4 to start row 6. And we'll double crochet into the first chain 1 space. And then we'll V-stitch in each chain space across this row. And again, the last V-stitch will always be in this chain 4 space. That counts as a double crochet in a chain 1. And that completes row 6. In row 7, we'll turn in chain 1. We'll work 2 single crochet in this first stitch. And across this row, we will single crochet in each stitch and chain space across until the chain 4 remains. So work a single crochet in each stitch and a single crochet in each chain 1 space across to the last chain 4 space. Okay, I've reached the chain 4 space, so we're going to work 1 single crochet into the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, the 4th one is right up here. So 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the 3rd chain, so the next chain from the one that you just worked into. So 2 single crochet, and that completes row 7, which completes the angel ornament. And then we'll stiffen it and add a hanging loop, and then your angel will be complete.